The black variety of tourmaline. It is colored black by the presence of iron. Schorl may also be dark bluish black and dark greenish black. Schorl is the most common mineral in the tourmaline group that also includes buergerite, dravite, elbite and uvite. All tourmalines form similar crystals because they are isostructural, meaning they share the same internal crystalline structure. In addition to being found as independent mineral crystals, Schorl is also found as long thin crystal inclusions in quartz, forming tourmalinated quartz. These black crystals, or needles, create very attractive and collectible quartz gems. The name Schorl may be derived from Schorlau, the name of a village in Saxony, Germany which was named Schorl, or Schorl, prior to 1400 AD. The name may have come from the Old German Schorl or Schorl, of uncertain derivation, perhaps meaning impurities because black tourmaline was abundant in a nearby tin mine which also contained cassiterite. The name tourmaline is from the Sinhalese word tourmaline, meaning mixed-colored stones because tourmalines were often confused with other gems because of the variety of colors. Tourmaline is the name given to a family of related minerals, all having the same basic crystal structure but varying widely in chemical composition. Tourmaline comes in just about all colors including colorless, acrite, and black Schorl, with many names given to the many other colors. Schorl is best known as black tourmaline. Although other forms of tourmaline may be black, Schorl is exclusively black and, unlike other tourmaline forms, is never transparent or even translucent. In a few rare instances, it may be interground together with elbite, with a specimen being part Schorl and part elbite. Schorl is the most common form of tourmaline. It may be highly lustrous and form in beautiful crystals, and is one of the most aesthetic black minerals known. It may form in tiny dense needles within a quartz crystal where it is known as tourmalinated quartz. usually as elongated prismatic crystals that are heavily striated. Also as short, stubby, prismatic crystals. Many Schorl crystals have a rounded, triangular cross-section, and a flattened pyramidal termination. Seldom in tabular crystals. Aggregates include columnar, radiating, stalactitic, dense groups of acicular needles, and compact masses. Crystals may be curved or warped, and in some cases may have their growth interrupted by host rock with the same crystal appearing in two parts of a matrix. Crystal size can range from very small to excessively large crystals several feet in length.